In front of me is Motorola Signature, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, don't worry, just click on Gear 1, select the voice typing, and tap on this switcher next to Use Voice Typing to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and tap on No Visible Microphone. If you never used it before, make sure to tap on while using the app in the pop-up. Then start typing right away. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, just click on the same microphone. Quick tip, when you click on your microphone, tap on tiny icon right next to it. Then tap on Next, select Done, and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. To move it around, hold it and drag it. To delete text on the go, you can click on this button with an X. To access some available options instantly, tap on those three lines on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, use keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!